Welcome to today's presentation on Park Sentry, the best defense against collision damage in high-density parking areas, specifically designed to add a layer of effective protection around parking structure columns and walls. Think about it. All the high-tech backup cameras and park assist features can't change the fact that accidents in parking facilities happen. In fact, 20% of all car accidents occur in parking structures. 80% of bumper scratches happen during parking, and 14% of all claims for auto damage involve parking lot collisions. And those accidents are not only costly, they also damage the facility. That's why there's Park Sentry. Park Sentry is a barrier that protects vehicles, columns, and walls from collision damage, minimizing those costly repairs and insurance claims. Park Sentry is molded from R-Pro, the same high-performing engineering material used in automobile bumper systems. It's scratch-resistant, energy-absorbing, lightweight, and strong. It's thin, yet can withstand repeated impact with no significant loss in shape or form. Plus, it protects columns from weather damage, creating a barrier from rain, snow, de-icing salt, and road grime. Park Sentry's modular design can be configured to fit round columns, square columns, or walls of any size. A standard Park Sentry square kit fits a 24-inch by 24-inch square column, and a standard Park Sentry round kit covers a 24-inch diameter round column. The Park Sentry wall system creates a collision buffer that protects structure walls. Park Sentry's design can be cut to size quickly and easily using just a utility knife, or panels can be added depending on your need. Because the product can be installed in pieces, replacement pieces can be installed without replacing the entire system. Extend a structure's service life, reduce repairs, save money, add value for your customers, and cut down on insurance claims and costs. Park Sentry protects your facility, your customers, and your business. Thanks for joining us today. Ready to learn more? Additional product details, photos, or videos of Park Sentry are available at www.sentrypro.com.